To set up the 3 trading bot, start by creating an account on the 3 website and connecting your exchange account. This can be done by navigating to the Exchanges tab and selecting your preferred exchange. Then following the prompts to authorize 3 to access your account. Once connected, navigate to the Bots tab and click on Create a Bot. Here you can choose from a variety of bot templates, including simple, composite, and options bots. For beginners, the simple bot is a good starting point. When setting up your bot, you will need to define your trading strategy, including the pairs you want to trade, the take profit and stop loss percentages, and the trading amount. You can also set up a trailing stop loss to automatically adjust your stop loss as the price moves in your favor. In the bot settings, you can also set up a safety order, which is a stop loss order that is triggered if the bot is unable to execute a trade. This helps to minimize losses in the event of a trading error. After configuring your bot settings, click Save and enable the bot to start trading. It is essential to monitor your bot's performance regularly and adjust your settings as needed to optimize your trading results. It is also important to note that trading with a bot carries risks, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Always use proper risk management techniques, such as setting a stop loss and limiting your trading amount, to minimize potential losses. By following these steps, you can set up a 3 trading bot and start automating your trading strategy. Remember to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions to achieve the best possible results.